Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use tag and organize your documents. Click on Settings and select Manage Tags. Click on Add Tag and create 2 tags of your choice. More tags you will have, more specific and effective you will be when organizing your documents. Now go to Documents. Right-click on the PDF and click on Add Tags. Add and submit both tags to your document. You can see the document now has 2 tags. To search for your tagged documents, click on Filters. Go to Tag section and type in your tag. Now you only see the PDF documents with your specific tag. The system will pick up the document even if you only enter one of the tags. Tags can be very useful in organizing your documents, filtering them quickly and be more effective with your time management. Well done! You have learnt how to create and use tags. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.